The aim today is to announce finalists of a fantastic competition award, Climate Action. The competition named Climate Action starts at home.
So imagine a world where clean energy is so abundant, it is affordable and available to everyone.
Education is essential, important, necessary. Now here's a quote from someone I have great respect, and the country where I come from is Mahatma Gandhi, who once said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world, and we must all do our bit."
21 schools in this local community took part in the competition.
We are extremely happy to work with IKEA and other partners of this event.
Drodzy Państwo, pamiętajmy o fundamentalnej zasadzie. Dobre zakupy to mniej śmieci, a mniej śmieci to czystsze wody, gleba i powietrze.
Problemy związane z gospodarką o obiegu zamkniętym i zmianami klimatycznymi.
Chcemy wprowadzić nawyk segregacji odpadów, nawyk oszczędności prądu i nawyk oszczędności wody.
The project is dedicated to different and versatile actions. Into our actions, we engaged all the students of our primary school No 28, the whole teachers' body and the local community.
Największym wrogiem klimatu jest dwutlenek węgla. Jego nadmierna emisja powoduje globalne ocieplenie.
Well, it has been fantastic to be in Katowice in COP24. We have been involved in various events, and I think it has been great to have the chance at such a critical moment for climate action to be able to make a call to customers, to co-workers, to businesses, to governments, everybody to join us in tackling climate change.